Today I bring you an Inground pool volleyball net for my pool. Let's go ahead, open it up. Instruction. We have everything here inside. Let's go ahead and build it. Oh, it has lights. That is going to be awesome at night. It has lights. These are the water bags. These come with it. Oh my God, these are so awesome. But look at them. You fill them up. And these are the ones that are going to hold your poles. It's going to make sure that it's going to stay sturdy. It's just putting regular from the hose, water, and it has a thing to close it. You see the straps it has in the back. It's going to strap to your poles. Are the lights. Look at this. Nice. These are going to be the lights for there. And it comes with the solar panel here. Easy to access. It tells you battery is charged. You could charge it with solar or you could charge it by a light switch. Has a USB-C and easy to control. It does come with the cord here, the USB-C. It has so you can connect it and hang it. It has more velcros to put it on the pool. It also comes with a pump with the ball. The ball and a light for the ball to go in there. It also has patches in here. A controller actually. Let's go ahead and see. We have the controller for the lights.